Chemical laboratory. Number 1. Laboratory, or often abbreviated as lab, is a place where scientific research and experiments are conducted. A laboratory can hold space for 1 to 30 or more researchers depending on the size of the room and state mandate maximum occupancy limit. Number 2. All laboratory share some common feature, mainly laboratory equipment and laboratory glassware. Usually, they have at least one foam hood, where toxic and hazardous chemicals can be safely handled. This reduces and usually eliminates the risk of inhalation of gas products by the reaction of chemicals. Number 3. Laboratory usually have a sink for hand washing. A fire item user is located in a laboratory, as well as a fire blanket to help exterminate fire in the event of an accident. 3 is also a wash station and overhead shower in the event the chemicals comes into contact with your clothes, skin, or air. Number 4. Supporting the laboratory is usually a stockroom or preparation room, where dry and wet chemicals are stored. This stockroom prepares all the reagents or agents and bases of various quantities and concentration. It also orders and distributors supplies. Okay, next, number 5. When researchers perform experiments in the laboratory, they use pure phase and sterile reagents. Impure chemicals undergo purification first and then are used in an experiment. Non-sterile reagents are first autoclaved before use. Impure and non-sterile reagents interfere with experiment, causing an undesired result. Next, number 6. The equipment and orientation of a laboratory will ultimately depend on its purpose. University laboratory, as well as chemical and biochemical laboratory, will contain myriad of glassware. In these laboratories, general experiments will be performed to isolate or purify compounds, or perform research to gain new knowledge on a given compound or scientific idea. Number 7. Other common laboratory equipment includes centrifuges to remove solid particles from a liquid, or cracked and densely gradients. Spermatometer to actually measure the optical absorbance of a liquid and particular wavelength, or measure its color. Aspirators for providing suction and water baths that maintains a substance at a particular temperature. Number 8. Where there is a typical set of glassware used for conducting various experiments, other laboratories have different equipment and arrangements. Microbiology laboratories usually have spare rooms with negative pressure to prevent the breaking in harmful bacteria. Air is often passed through a number of filters and then pumped into the room. Okay, last number. Laboratory designed for processing specimens, such as environmental research or medical laboratories, will have special machinery or automated analyzers designed to process many samples and numerous tests. Research and experimentation is not a priority in this laboratory. The aim is to give a fast and reliable result.